6-cylinder is out. Got it on a pallet, all strapped down, ready to go for whoever buys it. 50,000 mile original engine, 230 turbo thrift, 140 horsepower. Ran great. Everything goes with it. Starter, alternator, distributor, brand new fuel pump in it. There's a bunch of new tune-up stuff on it. Like I said, it ran very good. And in the Nova, we've got a mock-up big block Chevy, just a mock-up, intake on it, valve covers. It's got a junk carburetor on it and just a air cleaner just sitting on there. In headers, we had from the run stand. They came off of Chevelle. Don't know if they were ordered for Chevelle, but they came off of Chevelle, and they actually fit very well. I want to get bigger primary tubes. I want a minimum of 2 1/8, but there's plenty of room in there. Surprisingly, the amount of room. I know these came with big blocks, but firewall, spacious room, tall valve covers. You got plenty of room. I did dry fit the new radiator, and fits in there very well. I just got, again, trim it back to over to here, all the way down, finish it up. I'm not sure what I'm going to do underneath the hood. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I got to take the inner fender well out from this side to put the heater core box in and fan assembly back in. But I got to remove that. I'll clean the frame up, and I think I'll detail all underneath the hood and possibly right to this here. So when the hood shut, kind of looks all factory. Pop it open. It's going to be new underneath. Like I said, everything's fitting very well. I got the big mount, big block mount, motor mounts in there. Worked good. That's about it. Just fitting stuff. See how everything works, fits before I pull everything out and detail everything up. And still waiting for the cam on the motor to put that together. As soon as that comes in, we'll start assembling the motor. It's already got, it's underneath the bag over there. It's already got all new bearings all the way around. New cam bearings in, new main bearings, new crank bearings, all assembled. I think Jono said he's got to torque it one more time just to double check. But once that cam comes in, we'll assemble the block with the new heads, AFR heads over there. Check out for clearances. And then final assembly, I guess. But again, everything's looking good. Considering I only got it a few weeks ago, we're way ahead. Oh, also, I got the brand new springs and I got the calver split springs, racing springs in the back. I did calver traction bars. I don't get the bar hooked up yet, but everything else is hooked up, ready to go. I think it sits right where I want it. I like the tire tucked a little bit, and I know when we put the big block in the front, it's going to sink that front down. I think it's going to be just perfect. So next I got to look for rims and tires. I want an 8-inch rim, hopefully an 8-inch rim, and when I look online, 275 60 15s are the max you can fit back there. So I'm going to be looking for those next. Got a new dash pad. It's in my truck. I haven't put it on yet, but I got to paint it blue. I got a new wiring harness that came in today. I haven't looked at it yet, but that's about it. It's all looking good. I think we're way ahead of schedule. My building, it's going pretty quickly. That's about it. I still got to, probably going to go with a power brakes disc kit in the front. Try to get a small booster back there. Keep the drum brakes in the back. Again, I still got to replace the rear end at some point. It's got a regular 10-bolt, 273 non-posi in it right now. I want to put a 12-bolt in, all posi. Trying to track one of those down. Can get it made at Moser. Again, I don't want to spend that right now. So, see if I can find something used. If not, I'm going to have one built. All right, that's about it. Just giving you a little update.